Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Surprise! I cut my hair. So the story behind the haircut. I was supposed to get a trim, and the lady who did my hair, I just went to like where the boys get their haircut, which was like the worst mistake ever. And I told the lady that I needed a trim. Well, she trimmed my hair, but she also did something with layers and stuff, and I tried to work with it. I tried to you know, just like deal with it, but I couldn't do it anymore. It was just insane. The ends were like so damaged, and they felt like super fluffy. They didn't feel healthy at all. So I was just like, I'm done. And that was the end of that. So yesterday, Parker got a haircut, and I was like, you know, do you mind cutting my hair? And then I told him the whole story, and I was just like, just do it, just cut it. So this is how it looks like. I totally feel like Dora the Explorer, and even that lady from The Incredibles, the costume designer Edna. But it's a matter of time until I figure out how to curl it, how to style it, and then I will definitely share with you guys. But right now,
the way your hair.
Style, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. So right now we are on our way to pick up groceries. I think I'm just gonna do like a what we eat in a day type of video, or just a vlog type thing. Got my cardigan on because I am so cold. But the boys requested lunch. They really didn't have any breakfast because they woke up like at 9:30. So Carter had some vegan chocolate muffins, and then Parker had a power bar for kids, Kind Kids chocolate power bars, and they fill them up pretty well. Like, he can have one of those any day. And so, I don't know, he also like munched on a couple of muffins. So they just asked me for lunch. I'm going to make them some mini pizzas, and I will show you guys how I do those. You'll take a mini bagel, and then you'll open it up. So now I'm gonna add marinara sauce to this. I'm going to be using this Daya cheddar style cheese. I ran out of the shredded cheese, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take these slices and just kind of cut them up and place them all around. And then I usually use mozzarella, but I forgot to order it yesterday, so I'm gonna use this sharp cheddar for Parker. So this is their pizza. They don't like pepperoni being added to this. They'll just eat pepperoni like cold by itself. Okay, so now I'm going to pop these in the oven for about 20 minutes or so until the cheese is all nice and melted, and then the bagels are nice and brown and crispy. Okay, now I'm like so low to the counter. So now for the leftover marinara sauce, I don't like to put this entire thing in the refrigerator because I don't know how long it's gonna be good for. I don't use it that often, so I have a mini muffin pan that I got at Home Goods. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scoop some of that marinara sauce in each one of these and then pop it in the freezer. Once those are frozen, I'm going to take the pan, I'm gonna run it under some hot water, and then I put all the little marinara popsicles in a freezer bag container, and then every time the boys want some spaghetti or some pizza, I can just pull out a little marinara popsicle and throw it in the pan, and it's easy as that. Like, I don't have to deal with an entire container worrying about it going to waste or anything like that. This is what the little tray looks like. I'm gonna put it in the freezer and then just wait for it to be done. Now that my pizzas are in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and clean my pantry because everything is falling out. So let us get organized. Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but one of my biggest struggles is how do I keep all of these things organized? I don't like to keep the boxes because at the end of the day, like, the kids are just going to leave the boxes everywhere, or they fall on the ground, and it's just too much, okay? So I'm trying to figure out something that I can do to keep these things like enclosed or something. So let me think about it and I'll be right back. Okay, so a while ago, I don't know how many years ago, I purchased these little containers at the dollar store, and I think this might work. Yay! Pouches we got at Sam's, but the boys didn't seem to like them. They are what is it, Petal Peach, and then Speedy Strawberry. I think they like the strawberry ones, but I don't think the peach one they liked. Just gonna keep them because they might decide to try them. So I'm gonna put him in this little one. Now, in this last basket, I'm going to put Carter's allergy-friendly foods. Usually he will eat these for breakfast. These are the Velveeta energy bites. Have blueberry flavors, and then they have like a cinnamon sugar flavor or something like that. He'll grab one of these for breakfast every now and then, and they are allergy friendly. And these I just purchased at Kroger. He hasn't tried them yet, but this is kind of like a Nutri-Grain bar in bite-sized form, so I would love for him to try these. Put those in there. So this is what my pantry ended up looking like. It's nice and organized. I do need to find some containers for the cereal because I cannot stand seeing them like that. But overall, I think it looks so much better than it did. Hope that it stays this way. Okay, so for those of you who wanted real life content, here it is. My kids asked for mini pizzas, right? This is how much they ate. That's right. This much. So, it's okay. It's gonna be okay, right? It's gonna be okay. They're just not gonna get a snack. They're not gonna get any milk. They can get water. They're just gonna eat at dinner. Like, sorry kids. Like, you asked me for mini pizzas. I made you mini pizzas. Okay, yeah, I burnt one of them, but I'll still eat it. Like, you know what I mean? My children. So that's real life for you. Now I'm going to eat because I'm starving. It's my lunch. These are dumplings from P.F. Chang's, and then there's sauce. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna have. Okay, so Carter just asked me for some dinner. He requested pasta and pepperoni, which by that he means spaghetti and pepperoni. So I pulled out the marinara sauce that I put in the refrigerator earlier today. And this is a great hack for you moms, so that, like, right now he's probably starving. I like getting these ready packets because it takes 60 seconds and it's fully cooked pasta, and it beats waiting for it in the stove.
And it has to be in the microwave.
Yeah. And then, of course, his little pepperoni slices. Alright guys, so I totally forgot to show you what I ate for dinner, but I made some seasoned chicken. So I just put some salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning, and then some mac and cheese for the boys, and mashed potatoes and broccoli for us. The boys ate the macaroni and cheese and more pepperoni, and then boo, Carter had more pasta and pepperoni. So that was it for today. So that was all we had for dinner tonight. I will be having some snacks later on, and I will share those with you. But right now, Carter is taking a bath because he doesn't feel good. And then the boys are going to bed. So I'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, so it is really late at night. I'm going to eat a quick snack before I get ready for bed. I'm going to drink one of these Boost shakes. These are so delicious. And then I'm gonna eat some graham crackers. These are supposed to be for the boys, but Parker doesn't like them, and Carter can't eat them because he's allergic to one of the ingredients that's in here. So that's gonna be my snack for tonight. I'm done for the day. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you made for dinner tonight. What did you have for lunch? What did you have for breakfast? Everything I want to know. Any recipes, anything you want me to try, also leave it down below. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. Everything is going to be linked in the bottom section. And I will see you guys in my next video. Besos.